Isaiah chapter 1 verse 19. If you are willing and obedient, you will eat the good things of the land. Hello my beautiful sunflowers. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, make sure that you like this video and that you subscribe to my channel for more quality content. And if you're returning, welcome back. I'm Unbrelievable and you're watching Unbelievable. We're going to be talking about daily harvest. I wanted to give them a try and I had a coupon code and it had a sale. You know, I love a good sale, so I didn't turn down, and I got 9 different items for about $39, which is a pretty good deal. Each item ranges from about $8 to like $13 or $14 for every single item you get. So I got 9 different items for $39, which isn't a bad deal at all. Okay, here's my box. It just got delivered. Like literal installation you find like in a house. So I've ordered from like HelloFresh before, and I've gotten food from them. And when they package their food, it's in a box that it comes with these ice packs, and it's just like, you know, like regular ice packs. But I've never seen. Oh my god! Hey, I'm not doing it right. Okay, I guess this was a part of the packaging. Wow, this is a whole block of oh my god! I burned my fingers. This big old block of dry ice that I touched with my hands, and my fingers, if you can see, they're really red because they're still burning. And it says do not touch without gloves. Thanks for not warning me before I touched it without gloves. First item in this packaging, I got a smoothie, and it's pineapple, kale, coconut, lime, matcha, and vanilla bean. Second, we have a chocolate and blueberry smoothie. Like I said, I love chocolate, so I had to get something with chocolate. This has blueberry, banana, spinach, almond, cacao, chocolate, and maca. Not really sure what maca is, but I guess we'll find out. It's an oat bowl, kind of like oatmeal, and it says mulberry and dragon fruit, and it has blueberries, raspberries, oats, mulberries, and dragon fruit. This is a miso and mushroom soup, and it has butternut squash, shiitake mushrooms, white miso, kelp, tamari, and dulce de leche. I like the packaging of the food, not the box. The box packaging gets 1 star. Honestly, it gets no star. I do not like the box packaging, but I do like the packaging of the food. It's very minimalist, very sleek, very modern. Chia bowl, and this is vanilla bean and apple, and it has chia seeds, apple, fig, coconut, cauliflower, and vanilla bean. So this should be interesting to try. I have another smoothie. It's a strawberry and peach smoothie. This one has strawberry, banana, peach, raspberry, oats, and goji berries. Another soup. I love turmeric and lemongrass, so this is a turmeric and lemongrass broth. I feel like it'll be really good. This has zucchini, parsnips, asparagus, lemongrass, sesame, and turmeric. I ordered some ice cream, and this is actually vegan ice cream. Fun fact, I was vegan for like 2.5 months earlier this year. The first month, honestly, was really difficult because from the country, and in the country we eat meat in like every single meal. Kind of challenging, but I got used to it. It was pretty simple after like the first 4 weeks for me. It is vanilla ice cream, and it has salted swirl black sesame. It has coconut, maple, black sesame, cacao, chocolate, this word right here, ashwagandha, that's what we're gonna go with, and vanilla. Last but not least, we have a flatbread. The crust of this flatbread is cauliflower instead of regular flour, and it has cauliflower, cremini, I believe cremini is a mushroom, asparagus, tomato, onion, and black garlic. And this is gonna definitely help me get back on track with my plant-based journey. How my finger is still burning. It's been like 8 minutes and my fingers are still burning from this dry ice that I didn't know was inside the box. First 2 items that I'll be trying today is going to be the turmeric and lemongrass broth soup, and I have it in this bowl that it came with, and we have the pineapple and matcha smoothie. I'm using this aluminum or metal straw because I'm trying to be sustainable, and I know it's really long, so don't judge. Directions for me to heat this up for the soup, it was to add a cup of water or unsalted broth to the bowl. I don't have any unsalted broth, so I just added a cup of water, and then you put it in the microwave, or you can put it on the stove. And I just chose the microwave because it was simple. And I put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. I took it out, stirred it, and I put it back in for another 3 minutes. So it just microwave for a total of 6 minutes.
Smells delish.
I think I should have used that broth. But it's not bad, but it's missing something really important. These are my 2 favorite seasonings. I put this on like everything. Tony Sachet, this Creole seasoning. I like this roasted garlic and herb seasoning by Weber. This soup, it has a nice aroma. As soon as you taste it, you just, you know you're eating something healthy, but it just had no flavor. The actual footage of me trying this smoothie has gone missing, but the smoothie was just okay. It's day 2 and we're trying the 3rd item in this haul, and it is the ice cream, and it's called the Scoops. Instead of dairy and cream, it is made with organic coconut cream. It should be interesting. I let it sit for about 5 minutes, and it's really hard, but it looks good. Okay, wait a minute.
I just did something.
This is black sesame paste. I've never tasted black sesame paste, but it tastes interesting. It tastes like ice cream, but you can still tell it's not like creamy. It's not creamy like ice cream. It's thick and kind of icy, but it tastes really good. We're trying the oatmeal. The berries really hitting. Directions say that you can either let this soak overnight for overnight oats. That's typically how I make my oats. For this one, I actually just put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. The bowl is microwavable. It's microwave safe. It tastes really good, and it put something in here that makes it like a little sweet, but you can tell it's not like sugar. It's like maybe honey, maybe dates, maybe date sugar. I honestly do feel like I could have made this myself. There's nothing super spectacular. So today we have the strawberry and peach smoothie, and this is the second smoothie that I'm trying. This is good. I like this. The taste is very clean. Like, you can tell that the fruits that they used were organic because they're not super sweet. I feel like a lot of genetically modified fruits taste really sweet, and these don't taste sweet. They taste like regular fruits. I think it's good, but it's not something that I couldn't make myself. You know, this is just strawberry and bananas and some other little fruit, and I think that if I went to the grocery store, I could get this and make a whole bunch of smoothies for the same price. Chia bowl. In this bowl we have chia seeds, apple, fig, coconut, cauliflower, vanilla bean. You see it's very thick. I poured some almond milk into this bowl and I left it in my fridge a little over 12 hours. On this packaging it says to let it soak in the fridge for 6+ hours overnight, similar to how you make overnight oats. And I'm trying the tomato and cremini flatbread. It's a cauliflower flatbread. I just put it in the oven for 20 minutes, took it out, let it sit for about 2 minutes, and I'm about to try it. It's a little mushy, I guess, because the crust isn't made with, you know, like wheat flour. If you're hoping for this to taste like pizza, then you will be disappointed. I don't hate it. It's really earthy. It really tastes like the pizza of the earth. You can really taste all the vegetables in here, which can be a good or bad thing depending on if you like vegetables or not. Maybe there's some cheese. Is there cheese on this? I think gotta be cheese on this. That is what is missing, because I'm eating this expecting to taste kind of like a pizza, like a flatbread, but there's no cheese on it. And I'm assuming because it's vegan, they can't put cheese on it. The next item that I'm trying today is a smoothie, and this is the last smoothie in my order. This is the chocolate and blueberry smoothie. This is my favorite smoothie by far. This is great. This is very rich. If you like me and you like chocolate, you'll be very happy with this because you instantly taste the chocolate. It tastes kind of like a chocolate milkshake, but like a healthy chocolate milkshake. It's like you don't feel bad about drinking it because it's not super sweet. Right now I am trying the miso soup. This one smells really good. It smells flavorful, so I'm hoping it's flavorful. I really like this one. This is probably my favorite savory item, the soup right here. I'm glad I saved it for last. It tastes just like miso soup. It tastes very fresh, very organic. I actually don't have anything bad to say about this soup. This soup is really good. Overall, I will give Daily Harvest a solid 3.5 out of 5. I think that the food I tried was okay. It wasn't really great. My favorite item that I tried was the miso soup. That was my favorite food item. And my favorite smoothie was the blueberry and chocolate one. I also like the ice cream. The ice cream was really good. The pros, I think that the packaging, the brand, the mission of the company is something I could stand by. I support it. It had a lot of variety and different fruits and vegetables to try, which is good. I was able to try some new things, and I think that's a really good aspect of them trying to market to a community of people that are vegan. So if you are vegan or vegetarian, this is probably something you would enjoy. But for the cons, the plan that I got on regular price without my coupon that I used, it was about $65. So for you to pay $65 for 9 items that just aren't that great, I don't think it's worth it. And the smoothies are only 8 ounces, and I believe they cost about $7 or $8 on the website. So if you are out here paying $8 for an 8-ounce smoothie, when you could go down to your local tropical smoothie cafe and get a 24-ounce for $5, it just doesn't make any sense to me. So I think that they should definitely consider lowering some of the pricing of their items. Next will be like the overall like seasoning levels and flavor of the food. I think that some things I tried just was kind of bland. And I understand that seasoning is subjective because everyone's palate is different. Some people may not like their foods overly seasoned, but maybe they should include some type of seasoning packet to their food. So that is it. That is the review. That's my honest opinion on everything that I've tried. If you're interested in me trying any other types of food, any other product, just leave a comment below with your recommendation. So just remember to spread peace, love, and positivity, and that you can do anything that you put your mind to. Thanks for the love I received. I love y'all, and we out.